Hey besties, how's everybody doing? Everybody feeling good? Well, I'm bringing you another video. This one is decluttering the main bathroom and the little laundry sheets cabinet that I got sitting up there. Well, you know, I very rarely show my bathrooms for all my returning subscribers because my bathrooms are ugly. They're not fabulous and beautiful. For my new subscribers, you'll see why I really don't show my bathroom. Also, I don't really like watching cleaning toilets, but I did show me cleaning a toilet to show that I do clean my toilets. So, here it is. I'm showing you the bathroom, everything that's going to change and declutter soon. So, sit back, relax, turn me on all your devices so you can get motivation to clean now or clean later. And you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way.
So before we get too far into this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Bethany. I'm a wife and a mom. I have 7 children in total. 6 of them live at home with me. On my channel, I do everything pertaining to being a mom and a wife. Pretty soon I'll be having some day in the life and vlogs coming up soon. Probably sometime after Valentine's Day. So if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. I'm telling you, you're gonna have fun. I love to uplift and encourage and help mamas live their best life, help queens to manage their queendoms, and help mama bears to deal with the trolls of being a mom and dealing with that sort of thing. Trust me, it's over here on this channel. It's fun. We have lots of fun on this channel, and the stuff that I do, it's real life. This is my life. This is what I do, and I'm not gonna apologize for it or change anything, because this is what I do. This is my life. You're gonna see stains that don't make any sense, but again, remember, this is not my house. I don't own this. My sister did. It was a whole hot mess in here. Anyway, but if you like that kind of stuff, you need motivation just to tackle a space in your home that you just don't really want to. I'm telling you, I didn't really want to do this, but I had to do it because I was getting sick and tired of looking at it the way it was. So I'm just saying, come on and subscribe. From all my returning besties, you already know. Y'all already know. Love y'all to the moon and back. Thank you so much for coming back every time I post a video. Thank you for all of your comments. Thank you for all of your likes and love and showing support of my channel and supporting me on this journey called motherhood and dealing with life. Thank you so much. I love y'all. I love each and every one of y'all. Thank you for my new subscribers and my new besties. Thank y'all for coming back and sticking with your girl.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now.
right here you see I've got a collection of drawers, a basket. Basically, I shop my home to try to figure out how to make this bathroom a little more functional. As you can see, the bathrooms in my house are not big at all, so I have to utilize as much of this space as I can, but I can't put things in the cupboard because out of sight, out of mind, the kids will forget, so on and so forth, and then you have to go looking for stuff. It's a lot of work, so I'm trying to figure it out. I did end up using the Christmas mug. Don't judge me. I gotta use what I got in my house to get it done. So, as you can see, that's what I did. I didn't use all the containers, but I did use most of them. And in later videos, you'll see when I clean the bathroom again, some of the containers I used did actually change. So, keep an eye out. I'm telling you, my life is interesting. I'm telling you, it is super interesting. Trying to make 8 people live in a 3-bedroom home that's not designed for 8 people.
I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
So you need a little break, huh, boy? Say you need a little space, yeah, boy. Is it cause you can't be faithful, boy? Hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad. I'm not mad, I'm not mad. I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met ya, now I'm prettier than ever, Took a second to forget you, boy. Only one. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you failed big time. Cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad. I'm not mad, I'm not mad. I just feel bad for you. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you failed big time. Cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad. I'm not mad, I'm not mad. I just feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad. I'm not mad, I'm not mad. I just feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad. I'm not mad, I'm not mad. I just feel bad for you. I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in. I don't need.
Hey y'all, thank you for making it this far into the video. It lets me know that you're enjoying my videos. So leave me a tub emoji down in the comments.
Need you, Cause I got high ambitions, a boss vision. I'm granting all my wishes. I don't need you, cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single was being alone. Now I know I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. Yeah. I make my own decisions, my lifelong mission, releasing inhibitions. I don't need you to come crawling back to me, to tell me that you're sorry. I'm better now, I'm happy. I don't need you, cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single was being alone. Now I know I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I'ma go out, I'ma dance now. Raise a glass to being alone. You can stop me, you can reach me, cause I'm too high to fuck on. I don't need you. 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 I don't need
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
So here we are cleaning the what is this? The mini hallway that I have. I have no storage in this house, so I have to create storage. So you'll see me going back and forth. I had to have a discussion with the kids about these blankets because they had a lot of blankets and they weren't even using most of these blankets. But anyway, got that figured out and sorted out, and that's what's in that container. Again, I shop my home, so when I don't use something in one space, there's always somewhere else to put it. I don't know what it is. I don't know how that works, but I know that usually I can find a space for everything in my home, and I'm on my way to decluttering and making this place a little bit more livable and not so cluttered looking. Because again, you have a big family, you have a lot of people, a lot of stuff. You gotta make it work, especially when you're trying to fit so many people into one space, like my girls' room. You've seen in my past videos, I've had all 4 girls in the room. I've now put only 3 of them in the room. So the limit in that room is 3, unless I give them my bedroom, which is not happening because I need that space. But I got 3 of them in one room, and I have my oldest in another room. So it is what it is. You know, you guys gotta make it work with what you got.
people say I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's why I like it.
So here we are. It's the end of the video. All I'm doing is getting rid of the stuff. No, I did not throw away anything that was usable. I took that to the Goodwill. Everything that needed to be packed up, everything has a place. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button, comment down below. If you're a returning subscriber, returning bestie, thank you. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment down below, share this video, hit your girl up. Come on, we're on our way to 100. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's do this. And I will catch y'all in the next one.